film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy. It is all the more tragic in that they were young. But had they lived very, very long lives, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
One night together goes so fast. Have we the time to make it strong enough to last? How can I ever make you feel enough to get us through
Hey, hey. Where does it go? The good Lord only knows. Seems like it was just the other.
Are you sure you know where we're going?
Yes, I know where we're going.
Kinda looks like we're lost.
We're not lost.
I think we were supposed to turn back there.
No, we're going exactly where the map says to go.
Not even looking at the map.
I can't look at the map all the time. I gotta drive unless you wanna die.
Fine.
No can't lose and honky-tonk heroes like me. Yeah.
See, I told you I knew where we were going.
Whose wedding is it that we're going to?
Cousin Williams.
Is that the one who has a lazy eye?
No, that's Chris. William is the one that lost his fingers.
Oh, okay.
There's someone on the side of the road over there.
Well, pull over. They might need help. Hello, do you need a ride?
Actually, yeah, that would be terrific.
All right, hop on in. We'll give you a ride.
Groovy.
So where are you headed?
Oh, Austin, Texas.
Austin, you got a long ways to go, miss.
Yeah, it is.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from Childress, Texas, so I'm heading from there.
And you were going to walk all the way to Austin?
Yeah, I mean, I've got this road map. I didn't have a ride to get there, so I decided I was just going to hitchhike.
What's in Austin?
I've got a sister down there. We had a little bit of a falling out, but she said if I could get down there, I'd have a place to stay.
Well, I bet you're glad we picked you up, ain't you?
Yes. By the way, thank you so much for giving me a ride.
My pleasure.
Smile. I'm sorry. I just like to take pictures of the places places I go.
Well, that's neat.
Thank you. I'm Caroline, by the way.
Well, I'm Terry. This is my boyfriend, Greg.
It's nice to meet both of y'all.
It's nice to meet you. We're on our way to Kingsville. His cousin's getting married, and we're driving from Oklahoma.
Thank you for the food.
It's no problem.
Here. It's not much.
That's okay. It's our treat. You have a little bit of ketchup in your hair.
Oh! I'm sorry about that.
You're really pretty.
Thank you.
Man, I'm so hungry. I could eat a horse.
All right. So I was thinking, since we're a day ahead of schedule anyway, why don't we go ahead and take Caroline all the way to Austin to her sister's?
That's way too much. Y'all don't have to do that.
Oh, it's fine. Wedding is up for 2 more days anyway.
Are y'all sure? It's such a long way.
Shoot, yeah. I ain't been to Austin in a long time. It'll be real fun.
Thank y'all so much. You really made my day. I just gotta capture this moment. Smile.
Laughing, he's just laughing.
Who's laughing?
The old man's laughing. The old man's laughing at you.
Next motel we find, we're gonna stop. I'm getting pretty tired.
All right. Are you okay sharing a room?
Sure, that's fine with me.
Okay.
We gotta get in the car. Check and see if he's breathing.
Just barely.
Not really.
Looks like there might be a feedlot up ahead. We'll go there and see if there's any help.
You better hurry.
I'll stay here. I'm gonna go get help.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Looks like you're just in time for the party, cowboy. Look at that, Bubba! Like a stuck pig!
Is he?
He's gone.
sure did hit the jackpot tonight, Bubba. Make a drink and get off our tails for once. Coon shit this and coon shit that. We're the ones doing all the work. Hey, Bubba, we got a live one. Come on, Bubba, get her. All right, let's carve these turkeys. This your bag? Smile. You take pictures? I have some pictures. This is Grandma and Grandpa. And that's my twin. He's in the war right now. This is Kate. She's a pretty girl, like you. She stayed for dinner once. She had to run off. Now she's always with us. You know Bubba likes you. He got you all prettied up for dinner. We'll eat after we process all that beef for Drayton. Well, better get to work. There's a lot of hungry mouths to feed.
Please! No!
I'm sorry.
What?
Your barbecue. I've got it ready.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Just outside the small
Well,
community of Houston.
take it easy.
Officers
Hey, thanks. Take care.
what appeared to be a grisly work of art. The remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery. Subsequent investigation has revealed at least a dozen empty crypts, and it's feared more will turn up as the probe continues. Deputies report that in some instances, only parts of a corpse had been removed. The head, or in some cases the extremities, removed. The remainder of the corpse left intact. Evidence indicates the robberies have occurred over a period of time. Sheriff Jesus Maldonado refused to give details of the ghoulish case and said only that he did have strong evidence linking the crime to elements outside the state. Area residents have reportedly converged on the cemetery, fearing the remains of relatives have been removed. No suspects are in custody as the investigation at the scene continues.
Now she sleeps so tight here beside me. Her makeup is all gone, but she's happy. The bottle on the table is empty. Wish I didn't have to wake her and tell her it's time to go, but someone is waiting for me at home. A little girl of 7 asked Mom, where's Daddy been? I stumbled in and Mama said, Daddy's sick again. Always cold and lonely. Wife won't hold me close and love me. I look around for love that's so free, and you know they always seem to like me. It hurts to know the kind of life I'm living. It seems in life sometimes you can't win. All they come of sorrow, drink, and sin.